So you want to import a CSV file to HubSpot Service Hub. Help desk migration is what you need. It's an automated online service that helps to upload your data to HubSpot Service Hub. Here's how to import your CSV file to HubSpot Service Hub. First, select CSV as your data source and choose what to import. You can import help desk objects and knowledge base objects separately. Then upload your files. Choose HubSpot Service Hub as your target platform and sign in with your account. Select the pipeline where the data has to end up. Then choose the data you would like to import. If you choose to import tickets, the migration wizard will select the rest of the objects automatically. Then set up the mapping. Do it carefully as it will help you to find your data after the CSV import. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. When you're ready, hit that final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can import to HubSpot Service Hub such data as tickets along with attachments, public and private replies, tags and custom fields, users, contacts, and companies. Ready to import? Click Sign in to install app and try a free demo.